Hey guys, I'm Krista from Houston. And so if you're going to be towing a trailer with your Chevy Traverse, you're gonna need wiring. It's the law. So let's get right into it.
You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
The great thing about this Traverse is that Chevy made it really easy for you to wire your own vehicle. There is a built-in tow package connector. So what we've done here is we've actually removed the bumper to give you a clear view of where the connector is gonna be. So you're gonna see it's located right here on the rear driver's side panel, and there's just gonna be a little locking tab that you're gonna be able to pull out. And once you pull out this locking tab, it's gonna just slide away from the connector. And once you get that connector moved out, then you're just gonna discard this end cap and place in your new one. Okay guys, so now that we have our wiring, what we're gonna do is we're just going to simply plug it in to our factory tow harness. You're gonna hear that click. Now we're going to secure it to the vehicle. Okay, so once we have it secured to the vehicle, we are going to need to get our 4-flat over to the center of our vehicle where our mounting bracket is gonna be beside our receiver. What you do not want to do is run this under the exhaust, as the heat will damage it, okay? So we want to run it above our hitch, and then we're gonna tuck it nicely behind here, and then we're gonna get our mounting bracket in place. I think it's best if you go ahead and just spend a couple extra dollars and get yourself a mounting bracket. It's gonna mount right here in the center of the vehicle, and it's gonna make it look really professional. You don't want it, looped through here or zip tied. It can be sloppy, and it can even get damaged like that. If it falls, it can drag the ground and can just completely ruin your wiring. So we're gonna go ahead today, and we are gonna install our mounting bracket. And to do so, we're gonna take our 2 screws that came with our mounting bracket. We're gonna go from the top down. These are gonna be Phillips head screws. We're gonna go ahead and insert those. And then we do have little washers that go on the underside of each one of these. These are gonna be 3/8. All right, so now that we have those hand tightened, we're just going to place our ratchet on the bottom and our Phillips head screw on the top, and we're just gonna give these a good tighten down. And then we'll be done installing our bracket, guys. All right. All right guys, if you will notice, we do have a slight bit of slack left after we have placed our mounting bracket. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna grab a couple of zip ties, and we're gonna zip tie these to our hitch. We're gonna take 2 zip ties, and we're just gonna put them together. Just the first few little clicks is gonna do. And you wanna feed it down through there. We're gonna pull it down, and we will be cutting the excess zip tie off in just a second when we're done. So we're gonna do this a couple more times. We're gonna do one more here, and then we are going to make sure that we take the excess and zip tie it to our actual connector. All right, now just to clean it up, and we'll be done. Now that we have the bumper back on, I want to just give you a little tidbit about where that wiring is actually located. It's going to be right here behind this reflector above your exhaust, okay? So, but I want you to take a look, and if you notice right here, everything looks really clean and professional. We do have the mounting bracket in place, as well as we've installed this handy dust cover. Now this dust cover is going to keep that 4-flat from getting dirty and having any problems with your wiring. So with that being said, guys, we just want to tell you thank you for watching our video, and get out there and enjoy the great outdoors.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.